Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be assembling this cupola. All the hard work was done in the previous videos, so today we just have to put all those parts together. In under 2 minutes, we'll have all these parts assembled and ready to be shipped to the customer.
Wow, we finally made it all the way through. Turned out really well, I think. Let us know what you think, if it turned out well or not.
Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks to you guys, and let's make some metal move.